everyone, welcome to our channel. When some keys on your laptop keyboard stop working, then it can be frustrating. So today we are here with some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve this issue. So let's get started. So first thing first, make sure the keys are not damaged. It's almost impossible for several keys on your keyboard to malfunction simultaneously. However, if you have dropped your keyboard recently, hit it with something, or spilled a liquid on it, some keys may have been damaged. To determine if the keys are functioning correctly, go to the keyboard test website, press the keys that are not responding, and check if they register successfully during the test. If the keys don't register, then they may have become defective. So have your external keyboard or laptop inspected by a technician. Now, the other one is apply some preliminary checks. If you're experiencing this issue with an external keyboard, unplug it and plug it back in again. Make sure nothing is stuck in the keyboard keys. If some keys on a laptop keyboard are not working, then simply restart your device. If you have a keyboard manager app running on your device, shut it down or if possible, delete it temporarily. If your keyboard keys have dust on them, wipe them off with a dry cloth. A malware infection such as a keylogger can also cause your keyboard keys to malfunction. To ensure that your device is malware free, run a malware scan with Microsoft Defender. So now run the keyboard troubleshooter. Microsoft Windows includes a keyboard troubleshooter designed to diagnose and fix keyboard problems. Right click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. Then select the System tab from the left sidebar and navigate to Troubleshoot, and from Troubleshoot tap on the additional troubleshooters and click on the Run button next to the keyboard troubleshooters. Then follow the on-screen instructions if you are prompted to follow them. Most likely the troubleshooter will make the changes automatically. If not, the troubleshooter will suggest you a few changes. Now update or reinstall the keyboard drivers. Outdated or corrupt drivers can cause unforeseen problems with computer peripherals. So right click on the Windows Start button and open Device Manager and expand the keyboard's category. Right click on the keyboard driver you want to update and click Update. If updating the keyboard driver does not make any difference, then reinstall it. To uninstall a keyboard driver, right-click it and select Uninstall Device, then click OK in the confirmation pop-up. After that, restart your device and Windows will hopefully reinstall the drivers. Then change the keyboard settings. If you have made changes to your keyboard settings recently and started experiencing issues with the keys since then, you have probably messed them up. Right click on the Windows Start button and open the Settings app, then select the Accessibility tab, then click on Keyboard. Disable the toggles next to sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys, and disable the toggle next to underline access keys. Then go to Typing under Related Settings and turn off the toggles next to Show Text Suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard and Multilingual Text Suggestions. After that, click on Advanced Keyboard Settings and make sure the correct language option is selected. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.